Taste test, I already know. I've already tried it before I hit the button on the camera. I had so much fun last week making that carnivore pizza, so I figured let's dirty up the kitchen again and make some soup. So welcome back to my elaborate production studio, otherwise known as my kitchen. We're gonna make some soup today, but you're probably gonna hear some sneezing and coughing in the background because this is real life. All of my kids have been sick pretty much the last couple weeks. The wife's got a pretty bad cough. I'm the only one who has gotten through it with no issues yet. I hope it stays that way. So let's have a little fun in the kitchen. So we're talking super basic. Now, there are a ton of, when you look up carnivore recipes, there's a ton of videos out there. I'm just showing you how I do it. And yes, I've gathered my ideas from other people. My pastor and his wife have recently started carnivore diet. They shared this with me, so I'm going to share it with you guys because I think it's pretty awesome. I will put in the description this full recipe, including the full amounts. I'm actually cutting everything in half today because I'm just making a small amount today. So don't take notes based off of what I'm doing. You can get the list in the description part of this video. We're going to start with some heavy cream. We got a block of cream cheese, some beef broth, your hamburger meat, bacon. I already cooked mine. We got some cheese. I'm using Colby Jack today, but you can use Monterey. You can use whatever cheese you want. Cheddar, some salt, some pepper, and some garlic. So once I get this all cooked up, I am going to drain the fat because I used 7327. I got it on sale, but I don't want that much fat in this soup. So while I got the beef cooking on the stove, I'll go ahead and share week 11 results because I know a lot of you just watch because of the results, which the first 5 or 6 weeks that I was doing this diet, I was so focused on how much weight I was losing. But once you get past that point, you focus more about how you're feeling and you don't care so much. So a lot of people, I do care, but I don't focus on it as much as I did. I dropped 1 pound in week 11. So I'm now down to 229. I'm down a total of 34 pounds from when I started in mid-December. And I haven't been in the 220s since probably 1995. So it's kind of cool. Doing a quick voiceover for this part because I messed it up when I actually filmed it. It's actually 3/4 cup of beef broth and followed up with 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now, in the next scene, it's going to look like it's not enough liquid, but I made up the difference because I figured out my mistake before I added the cheese. Half a block of cream cheese. Remember, I'm doing everything in half because I'm doing a half a batch. I'm doing a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Get it all stirred up. That's all breaking down really nice and melted. So now I'm going to add a 1/4 block of that cheese. Looks like a lot, but it's shredded really, really good. And then I'm going to add my favorite part, the bacon. Use as much as you want. So now this, I'm going to turn it down a little bit. This is the consistency I prefer. If you like it a little more liquidy, you're going to add a little bit more broth and heavy cream. But this is how I like it, my soup. Now, once you got it in a bowl, the final step is, a little more bacon. Okay. Taste test, I already know. I've already tried it before I hit the button on the camera. Let's try it again so you can see. Yes, it's a lot of cheese. It's not a lot of meat, but it's a lot of cheese and cream. So probably not the most low calorie option for carnivore, but when you have certain cravings and like I'm a cheeseburger kind of guy, bacon cheeseburger kind of guy, this bacon cheeseburger soup fills that craving void for me big time, along with the carnivore pizza. So this isn't something I'm going to have every single night of the week. This is like a once a week kind of like success dish. Like I got through another week, I'm going to have some soup, some bacon cheeseburger soup. Week 11 is in the books. Thank you for watching another video. all the things. Like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm trying to do like a weekly video. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to keep up that pace because it is a busy time and I got a lot of kids in this house. Hopefully they'll be better next week on my next week's video. So thank you again for taking the time out of your busy day to watch my videos, and let me know what you want to see next and we'll do it. So have a blessed day.